How to immigrate to New Brunswick through NBPNP, looking for an easy, straightforward way to start a new life in Canada. New Brunswick may be your perfect opportunity. Through the New Brunswick Provincial Nominee Program, or NBPNP, you can turn your Canadian dream into a reality. Today, we'll guide you through everything you need to know, the requirements, what to do, what not to do, and insider tips for success. Let's get started. Number 1. Why choose New Brunswick? New Brunswick is one of Canada's most welcoming provinces. It offers affordable living, job opportunities across sectors, and a strong commitment to helping newcomers settle successfully. Unlike larger provinces like Ontario or British Columbia, New Brunswick has a smaller, tight-knit community feel, making it easier for newcomers to integrate, find jobs, and build a better life. Number 2. What is NBPNP, the New Brunswick Provincial Nominee Program? NBPNP allows the province to nominate skilled workers, entrepreneurs, and international graduates for permanent residence. The province often recruits internationally, attending job fairs across Europe, Africa, Asia, and Latin America to find talented individuals ready to move. Number 3. NBPNP immigration streams. NBPNP has multiple pathways, depending on your background. Here are the main ones for international skilled workers. Main streams. NB Skilled Worker Stream for candidates with a valid job offer from a New Brunswick employer. NB Express Entry Stream for candidates already in the Federal Express Entry pool who meet New Brunswick's labor needs. NB Critical Worker Pilot New, focused on recruiting workers into critical sectors like manufacturing, agriculture, and transport. NB Entrepreneurial Stream for business-minded individuals who want to start or buy a business in New Brunswick. Number 4. Requirements for NBPNP Skilled Worker Stream. To be eligible under the NB Skilled Worker Stream, you must meet the following requirements. Job offer. A full-time, permanent job offer from an eligible New Brunswick employer. Work experience. At least 1 year of experience in a related occupation. Some categories may ask for more. Age, between 19 and 55 years old. Language ability, minimum CLB4 in English or French. Education, at least a Canadian high school diploma or equivalent foreign credential with an ECA report. Intent to reside, you must plan to live and work permanently in New Brunswick. Adaptability and settlement funds show you can adapt successfully and financially support yourself. Number 5. Requirements for NBPNP Express Entry Stream. If you are already in the Express Entry pool, New Brunswick could nominate you directly. If you have a valid Express Entry profile, meet the requirements of one of the Federal Economic Immigration Programs FSW, CEC, or FSTP. Have strong language test results. Minimum CLB7 for FSW. Have relevant work experience. Demonstrate connections to New Brunswick such as past study, work, or direct recruitment through NB's international missions. Number 6. How to apply for NBPNP. Applying for NBPNP involves several key steps. Step 1. Assess your eligibility. Choose the correct NBPNP stream based on your profile. Step 2. Secure a job offer if needed for the skilled worker stream. You need an eligible New Brunswick employer willing to support your nomination. Step 3. Register your interest. Fill out the Expression of Interest (EOI) form on New Brunswick's immigration portal. You'll be scored based on a points grid similar to Express Entry. Step 4. Receive an invitation if selected. You'll receive an invitation to apply ITA from New Brunswick. Step 5. Submit your application. Submit all required documents within the deadline. Pay the application fee if applicable. Step 6. Provincial nomination. If approved, you receive a provincial nomination, adding 600 points to your Express Entry profile, almost guaranteeing an invitation to apply for PR. Number 7. Common mistakes. To avoid what not to do, be careful. Many applications fail because of avoidable mistakes. Here's what you must not do. Applying without a proper job offer. Your offer must be full-time, non-seasonal, and from an eligible employer. Submitting incomplete applications, missing documents, or incorrect forms lead to immediate rejection. Using unlicensed agents only work with licensed immigration consultants or lawyers. Avoid scams. Failing to prove intent to stay, you must genuinely intend to live in New Brunswick, not just use it as a backdoor to another province. Poor interview preparation. Some candidates are called for interviews. If you can't explain your connection to New Brunswick clearly, your application can be denied. Number 8. What you should do for success. Here's how you can boost your chances of success. Attend New Brunswick's international recruitment events. These events are a great way to meet employers and get job offers directly. Tailor your resume to Canadian standards, short, clear, and achievement-focused. Build a connection to New Brunswick. Study, visit, or work in the province if possible. It strengthens your case. Learn basic French, optional but useful. Bilingual candidates have an advantage in New Brunswick. Get your ACAN language test done early. Processing delays can cost you opportunities. Number 9. In-demand jobs in New Brunswick. New Brunswick is hiring across many sectors. In 2025, top opportunities include healthcare nurses, physicians, home support workers, transportation truck drivers, delivery drivers, construction carpenters, electricians, welders, manufacturing machine operators, production managers, hospitality and food services chefs, restaurant supervisors, information technology software developers, IT technicians. Number 10. Tips for applicants want a competitive edge. Follow these pro tips. Focus on rural areas to smaller towns often have easier hiring processes and faster nominations. Be honest in your application. Never exaggerate your work experience or skills. Network. Connect with New Brunswick employers through LinkedIn or job fairs. Prepare for the long term. Show how you plan to build your life in New Brunswick beyond just working. Save enough for settlement. Even if you have a job, having financial security makes your settlement easier. New Brunswick offers one of Canada's best immigration opportunities for international candidates, simple processes, real job offers, and strong community support. If you're ready to take the next step, here's what you should do today. Find out if you qualify. Attend an international recruitment event if you can. Prepare your documents early. Submit your ELA application with care. Your Canadian dream is waiting, and it might just begin in beautiful New Brunswick.